Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle. I know I have been really inactive on my channel because my exams were going on, but now I'm free and I am going to upload regularly. So today I have come up with a very interesting concept which I discovered about me recently. I used to draw particular type of doodles very often, so I researched a bit and I got to know that it tells a lot about a person, that what kind of doodles you draw frequently or what a person likes to doodle most often. So today we are going to talk about what doodling says about you. I could not cover all the types of doodles because obviously it's not possible. It's very vast, but I covered a few. Let's start. The first one being circles. Circle says about a person who has a lot of love, they don't like conflicts, is a very well rounded person, likes peace, they don't want to get into conflicts, they are very much peace lovers, they are really friendly in nature and they like unity. The second being squares, cubes, or checkboards. It refers to a person who likes to be in control and is a very fond of organization and very efficient person, a person who has a very analytical mind. The third being triangles. Now, if a person likes to draw triangles, they are very resourceful, very competitive in nature, very ambitious kind of people. The fourth being, and this is my absolute favorite, this was the reason I researched about it, that what does doodling says about you, because I tend to draw flowers a lot, like a lot. Wherever I'm sitting and if I am talking on the phone, I tend to draw flowers. And I really wanted to know the reason, that why I often doodle flowers. And the reason is that you will find mostly women doodling flowers. That is because it refers to someone being really pretty, has a very fragile nature, and is very kind hearted, very lovable, someone who is very loyal and faithful, likes to be sociable, maintain friendships, and have a lot of faith and trust in other people. Fifth being stars. Stars is also a very common doodle among people drawn. It refers to a person who is very ambitious in nature and likes to be competitive, has a very high expectations and aspirations from life and like to succeed. That is why I said, like, they like to be competitive in nature. Now it depends what kind of stars you're doodling as well. Sixth being arrows. Now arrows depends that in which direction your arrows are going. If they're going upward, then it means you have a very positive nature, you like to grow and you are motivated. If it's going downward, then you are you it indicates worry and it indicates negativity and pessimism. Seventh being flying animals like birds, bees, butterflies. This is also one of my favorite thing to doodle, that are butterflies. So that means that you like to be free, you don't like to be tied down. Seventh being clouds. Now clouds is also very common among people to doodle, and it is for all the daydreamers out there, someone who is a very happy individual, very content, very happy, and is a daydreamer, likes to dream a lot, who feels very free and is very high spirited kind of a person. Eighth being eyes. So I used to doodle eyes a lot back when I was in my teenage days. So eyes indicate about a person. Eyes just helps you to look into the soul of a person who is doodling. So it tells what kind of eyes you're doodling as well. If it's a closed eye, then it tells about a person, that a person is introvert and they are very closed. They don't want to share their emotional side with someone. And if it's a very pretty open eye, that means that the person is very observant in nature, but generally they are just wallflowers. Eighth being houses. Houses are generally drawn by children a lot, and the meaning behind drawing or doodling houses is that there's a sense of nostalgia, there's a sense of security. Now it depends that what kind of house you doodle. If a person is drawing doodles with no windows, then it means that they're kind of lonely in their life. And if they have windows in their a lot of windows in their houses, that means that that's a very secure and a happy individual who is extrovert in nature and welcoming in nature, to welcome other people in their house. 10th being moon. Now, moon is drawn by people who are very mystic in nature, very secretive in nature. Moon indicates a person who is introvert in nature, has a very deep understanding of self, and has a very mystic, secretive nature. Last but not the least is we tend to draw or doodle names or initials of our names or signatures a lot, and this is common among teenagers. Because they want recognition in the world, they want attention and independence. So that is a sign, and maybe it can be for some people who are self centered or egocentric as well. But this is mostly common in teenagers. So I would just say that they want recognition and attention and independence. That is why they tend to draw or doodle their name or their name initials a lot. Well, I could not cover all the doodles because obviously it's a very vast variety, but this topic is very interesting if you read about it on Google. And do comment down below which is the doodle item that you tend to draw a lot, and if the meanings that I told you were in any way helpful or it resonated with you as well or not. Share this video with your friends, like the video, subscribe to this channel for more doodling kind of videos. Till then, take care everyone.